and for today's video, I'm going to give you a tour here in our 3-night stay in Malaysia. So here, guys, we are at the lobbies area, and I'm gonna show you what's the inside. So this is the outside. Actually, it's like a condo hotel, guys. Yeah. Um, it's like 20 minutes away from Bintang, where a lot of businesses, bars, and nightlifes, and yeah. So we are quite farther away from the areas, but actually it's very peaceful in here, and this is the lobbies area. Excuse me, kanang what area is the swimming pool area? Ha? Okay, sorry. So guys, I just asked the people, guys who's working here, because I really don't know. I forgot what level is the swimming pool area, and but they don't know, so I was just going to try to find it. Yes, so I don't know what's this area, but I think it's. I'll try the number 3, guys. Let's try the number 3. Okay, because as far as I remember, I think it's somewhere like that. One thing here, guys, is like a lot of people doesn't really know how to speak in English. I don't know. Wow, I cannot. I really don't know, guys. Let's just go there to our area and then we'll check it later. So I'm going to go to our room, and we are in the room. I'm in 13th floor, so we're not that close to the lobby, of course. So anyway, guys, here in Malaysia, it is like not a lot of people doesn't really knows how to speak in English. So like you're gonna having a hard time to understand also. Sometimes there gonna be a miscommunication, like experiencing that I ordered something and then I didn't get what I ordered. And then yeah, because it was late, we already left. Yes, and that was happening in Baro Cave. And the next is like we're supposedly going to eat in the restaurant, but the pocket. Actually, guys, it's really hard to get in here. Yes, so we're really having hard times. So this is the area, guys. You got the full refrigerator over there and the kitchen. Actually, guys, it looks very modern, guys. Actually, guys, I thought it's really kanang not good compared because in the picture, guys, it doesn't really look good. But when I'm here, I was totally amazed, guys, when I just got here, guys. So it's really amazing. So I got my suitcase over there, and you got some trash can over there as well. Yeah, you can cook, and of course, guys, we got this table, guys. Yeah, table to eat. Yeah. And this is the dining area. The sofas, you got some sofas over there. Television where you can chill. My God, guys, I love this concept, guys. I am jealous, guys. I wanna have this kind of place, guys. But look at that over there. Yeah, we are going to swim, guys. Look at that. It looks really cool. Very, very cool. So your island Filipina is now currently here in the city of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. So we're here in Kuala Lumpur, guys, and you got our air bigger one there, and this is the room. This is the room, guys. Looks super nice, guys. And you got some, you can put your laundry over there. And this is me. This is me praying that this was very first page. And look at, guys, it looks super nice. Wow, I'll definitely gonna do that, guys. And this is me over here. No. For sure, hot and cold shower, guys. Oh my God, guys, I'm really amazed, guys. I wish I have the house like this. Very, very modern. Manifesting everyone. I'm going to have a house like this. Like Evan like this, guys. Just me and Bella. Yeah. It's gonna be looking super good. So now, guys, we know now where we are going to. 8th floor. So let's go. So guys, we're finally now here. I'm going to give you a tour now of the swimming pool area. Look at that, guys. It looks nice, no? Very, very nice. Actually, guys, if I am not on my release, guys, I think I'm gonna swim. Yeah, the swimming pool is really huge. Like, but there's not a lot of people. I noticed, guys. But yesterday there are some um little people here, but like not every day. I've noticed. And of course, they got some gym also. Wow. Let's check out their gym, guys. Oh, like a lot of building over here. Oh, cool. I haven't used the gym, guys, because I'm just staying at home. Oh, they got some playroom as well over there. Playroom, gym. I don't know what's the upper, but it looks interesting. So this is all for today's video, everyone. I hope you enjoy our tour here in where we are staying here in Malaysia, and so that if you're going to visit here, you have any idea where you are going to stay. Yeah, but this area is like, as I mentioned, it's quite far from the business areas, bars like that. It's like 20 minutes away or more than that. So yes, choose the areas wisely. Like, especially here, guys, most of the transport is like more on Grab cars. So it's like it costs much money. So it's better if you love nightlife, if you love to be around the business areas, then go to um, you need to book a hotel that closest to there. Like because here is like you need to travel like that. But actually, if you like a quiet areas, then yes, this is the place for you. There is also a 7-Eleven. There are some restaurants downstairs also, so you don't need to worry about like going around if you just like a quiet area. So guys, this is for today's video, and this Filipino Wanderer. Ciao everybody, and see you on my next vlog. But don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, to my channel.